When you make a new Padlet, you can start from scratch with an empty board, or you can select a template. Templates provide ideas for what you should build, interactive tutorials that show you how to build them, and examples of completed Padlets. Here's how to make the most out of templates. The best way to browse your template options is in the gallery. The gallery categorizes templates by purpose and audience. Filter for these categories to narrow your search. You can hover to read the template's description, select for a preview, and click Create to get started. Within the template, you'll find the instruction notes on the right-hand side. These instruction notes will walk you through your Padlet creation, prompting you to customize your Padlet, adjust settings, and generate sample posts as examples. To see a completed example, select See Example. When you're ready to lose the training wheels and get to work, select Done. And that's how you use templates on Padlet.